Hello fellow citizens of this planet, welcome to another video, and today we are gonna do this drawing, so let's do this. Okay, so first we are gonna do these lines. So just choose a line and make sure that lines are straight, so turn off your ortho mode or hit F8. As you can see, I'm turning it on and off. This is on, this is off, so your lines are straight. So now we are gonna do these two circles of diameter of 30 and 20. So choose a circle, diameter, click here, 20, one more time, circle, diameter, and 30. Okay, now there is a line of 36, so we are gonna offset of 36 this line. Okay, and there is a circle of radius 4 and 8. So choose a circle, radius 4, hit enter to repeat last comment, and type 8. So we have this, and now we are gonna do this line of angle of 30. So click here, just move your mouse this way and hit tab and type 30, and it will gonna do a line in radius of 30 of angle of 30. So okay, but here is not the point of this is not the point. This is not this point. We need to do this point, and we are gonna do it with circle. We are gonna click here and here, because as you can see, this might be a circle. So from this point to this point, it's radius of 36. So these two circles must be here. Okay, so now we are gonna do circle of 4, enter, and 8. Okay. Now we can delete this line. We can also delete this circle, and I think, okay, we can delete this. So okay, so now we are gonna do these lines, and we are gonna do them with circle. So choose a circle, click on the center of this circle and just click here, hit enter to repeat last comment, click here, enter, here, enter, click here and here. Okay, now we need to do this shape, so we can trim these circles. Okay, and also this line. Okay, we have it. Okay, now we are gonna do these two circles of radius 24 and 32. But first we need to offset this line of 10. So choose an offset, type 10, and just offset this line. And this line is also offset of 35 from this line. So choose an offset, type 35, and just offset it. And there we have a middle for these two circles. So choose a center diameter circles, click here and type 24 and 32. Okay, now we are gonna do this object. So first we need to offset this line of 35, or we can offset it just to 45. I will tell you why. So choose an offset, type 45, and choose this line and this. Now type extend and just click on this line. Okay, now we know here we need to make two circles of radius 4 and 8. So type C for circle command, click here, type 4 and hit enter to repeat last command, and type 8. Okay, and now we need to do another two circles of the same radius, but offset it to 10. We can do this easily, because you can just place your mouse here and just track this point and just type 10, and it will make you a circle with distance from that point to center of your circle of 10. So we are gonna do we need circle of 4 and circle of 8 radius. Yes. And we need to connect that two circles with lines. So do that. Also don't forget to connect these two circles. Okay, now we can delete these lines. And just trim these unwanted lines here, here. Okay, now we need to do just these fillets of radius of 16, 30 and 24. So 2 fillets of radius 16. Click here and here. Now I don't know why AutoCAD is doing this, so I'm just solving this with not with just a circle and then trim command for this part. Okay, don't forget to extend this line if you have a same problem. Voila, we got it. It was easy. Don't forget to save it and have a nice day. Bye.